All right, today we're going to introduce our new and hopefully last for a while Can Am primary clutch tool for the governor cup removal. Before we get started, Hunterworks belt, best on the planet. Check them out. Also check out our other YouTube channel called Hunterworks Outdoors. You get to see what me and old Hunter are up to on our farm. Please subscribe and like over there as well. Governor cup tool, Hunterworks. These primary clutches, some of the models have to have a governor cup tool to separate the two halves where you can get into it, replace springs, weights, whatever it may be. If you want to know if your vehicle is one of them, just check the application list on the same page where the governor cup tools tell you which one of the vehicles it works on. Okay, we're making this, made right here in the United States. There's several offerings out there. I won't lie, this is not a cheap tool, but it's not a cheap tool. Okay, so this is a aluminum tool with a handle to hold on to. You'll see, I'll demonstrate here in a minute. We got a handle you can screw in. Comes with all necessary hardware. Got a hardened bolt. There's a nut inside of the center section that is held in with a set screw. When you get it, your nut and bolt will be loose and your nut, set screw will be loose. All you got to do is get your nut right up in the bottom and use a 3/16 Allen head, tighten the nut in, stays in place. I will say this, that when you're using this tool over time, you may damage the threads on the end of the bolt. There's never a reason to take this bolt completely out. Never ever. So if you damage them, it doesn't matter, as long as you do not try to remove the bolt and then you damage the threads in the nut. So just keep that in mind when you're using it. So now you know what it is. Made by us, made in America is great. Let's see how to use this thing. You're going to take your clutch puller that you pulled your clutch off with. All right, we got it screwed almost all the way in. We'll go overhead view and you can see there's a little gap here. Just set it about that spot. Take the center section of your tool, slide it in, set this right over the top, line up your threaded holes where your bolts. Get them started with your fingers. Having these really tight is not that important. You just need to be snug down. And that's all I'm gonna do. That is a 6mm Allen head. And we're gonna take our impact, which I love some impacts. Now you can certainly use a ratchet, hold on to your handle. And what is happening is this thing's gonna bottom out on the top of your puller. All right, just bottomed out, here we go. There it went. All right, now take your 6mm, take your screws back out. Put your tool off, unscrew. And your second half is off. That's all it is to it. Makes real easy work, high quality tool, high strength steel, fine threads, just makes it an easy job. I know it's a little pricey. But again, it is what it is and it'll last you a lifetime if you take care of it. So, got any questions about this? Todd@hunterworks.com. Remember, a belt's best on the planet. Subscribe like here. Hunterworks Outdoors. Thank you.